Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about 7 secrets to happiness that billionaire investor Warren Buffett believes in. Warren Buffett is known for his successful investments and his wise words of advice on how to be successful in life. However, he is also a proponent of living a happy life. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 7 key principles that Warren Buffett believes can lead to a happier, more fulfilling life. So, without further ado, let's get started. Secret 1: surround yourself with positive people. Warren Buffett believes that surrounding yourself with positive people is one of the keys to happiness. According to him, surrounding yourself with people who are supportive, positive, and uplifting can help you to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Positive people can also help you to maintain a positive mindset, which can be important when dealing with challenges or setbacks in life. Secret 2: pursue your passions. Another secret to happiness that Warren Buffett believes in is pursuing your passions. According to him, finding something that you're passionate about and pursuing it can lead to a more fulfilling life. Whether it's a hobby or a career, pursuing something that you enjoy can give you a sense of purpose and satisfaction. Secret 3: give back to others. Warren Buffett is a known philanthropist and believes strongly in giving back to others. He believes that giving to others can be one of the most rewarding things that a person can do. Whether it's volunteering at a charity, donating money to a cause, or simply helping out a friend or family member in need, giving back can help to create a sense of purpose and fulfillment in life. Secret 4: stay humble. Despite his immense wealth and success, Warren Buffett has always remained humble. He believes that staying humble is important in life as it can help you to stay grounded and focused on what really matters. Being humble can also help you to maintain healthy relationships with others, as it shows that you value them and their opinions. Secret 5: focus on your health. Warren Buffett also believes that focusing on your health is important for happiness. He is known for his healthy lifestyle and exercise routine, which he believes helps him to maintain a positive mindset and stay energized throughout the day. Taking care of your physical and mental health can be an important aspect of living a happy and fulfilling life. Secret 6: embrace failure. Warren Buffett has famously said that failure is an event, not a person. He believes that embracing failure and learning from it can be an important part of achieving success and happiness in life. Instead of dwelling on mistakes or setbacks, he encourages people to use them as learning opportunities and to keep moving forward. Secret 7: stay curious. Finally, Warren Buffett believes that staying curious is an important part of living a happy life. He believes that being curious about the world around you can help you to stay engaged and interested in life. Whether it's learning about a new topic, trying something new, or meeting new people, staying curious can help you to stay energized and excited about life. Warren Buffett is known for his wise words of advice on how to be successful in life, but he also has a lot to say about happiness. By following these 7 secrets to happiness, you can create a more fulfilling and satisfying life. Surround yourself with positive people, pursue your passions, give back to others, stay humble, focus on your health, embrace failure, and stay curious. These principles can help you to stay motivated and engaged in life no matter what challenges come your way. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these 7 secrets to happiness that Warren Buffett believes in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments which of these secrets you found most helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.